Hey guys, Theo here and I hope you're having a spicy day and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious avocado chocolate mousse. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. Alright, let's get started.
Gently melt your chocolate in a double boiler. Using a food processor, blend together your avocado, milk or dairy substitute, honey or sweetener, cocoa powder, pinch of salt, and your cooled chocolate. Then blend until smooth. Using a spatula, you might need to push down the sides.
Alright guys, once you start blending this, it's going to look a little bit chunky, but don't worry. Keep going and it'll be nice and velvety and smooth just like this. Once you're done, you can either eat it right away like I'm going to do, or you can put it in the fridge for just a little bit to make it a little bit colder. And you can also top it with whatever kind of fruit or chocolate shavings you want. I'm going to put strawberries and a few chocolate shavings just for a little bit extra yumminess. Alright, let's see how it tastes. It's super chocolatey, really moussey and silky, and I actually don't even taste any avocado. I definitely recommend this. If you like this recipe, it'll be found in the blog post below, and if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to this video. And as always, keep it spicy!